A guide you to change subtitle language in YouTube app on your phone. So let's hop into the YouTube. There you need to select that specific video where you could change that subtitle language. Let's say I'm tapping on this. From here you could see I have turned on the subtitles and the subtitles has been playing. You can tap on that settings icon and here you could find the captions. There you can tap on this. Here you can tap on auto translate. So let's say you can have multiple languages in this and you can select whatever you want. Let's say I'm tapping on French. Now if I tap on this, through here, please. You could see that subtitles has been changed to that specific French language. I can again tap on that, tap on language, captions, I can tap on auto translate. Here I scroll to find any of other language. Let's say I'm tapping on Korean. Now that has been changed to Korean. So for changing, you need to make sure that you have that specific auto translate option over the settings in the captions. So let's say if you have that, that will be very easier to change subtitle language in YouTube app on your phone. Thank you.